Let me ask you something, what's the very first thing people see when they land on your Shopify store? Most store owners overlook it, but that small strip at the top can make a big difference. In this video, we'll show you how to turn your Shopify top bar into a powerful tool for announcements. First, go to your Shopify theme editor. Once you're inside the editor, look for the header group. Click Add Section, and then select Top Bar. Now let's customize the layout of the top bar. You can choose between fixed width or full width, depending on how you want it to appear on your site. If you want a clear separation between the top bar and the rest of the page, you can enable Show Separator Line. Next, update the color scheme so it matches your brand style. Now let's take a closer look at the available blocks. The top bar section supports 4 different block types, so you can display exactly the information you need. First, let's look at the Linklist block. This block is perfect for adding a menu with quick navigation links to your top bar. In the menu setting, select one of your existing Shopify menus to display in the top bar. Next, use the position option to control where the menu appears. Let's move on to the text block, which is great for announcements or promotions. You can add short messages like, "Free express shipping on all order." Adding emojis helps your message stand out and feel more engaging. Want to take it even further? Turn on highlight text to make keywords pop with a bold button style or eye-catching color, perfect for promos and announcements. The language country block is a must-have if you're selling internationally. Enable a language selector so visitors can instantly switch to the language they're most comfortable with. Turn on the country or region selector to make shopping seamless for customers around the world. Not sure how to set up more languages and currencies for your store? Check out the resources linked in the description below. Just like the other blocks, these selectors can be positioned on the left, center, or right to perfectly fit your layout. Let's jump to the social links block. First of all, add your social links in theme settings, under social media, to ensure the icons display correctly. After that, toggle individual platforms on or off, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, so only the channels you use are shown. On smaller screens, only blocks that are set to the center position will be displayed. So make sure you center align your most important blocks for the best mobile experience. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized a top bar in Shopify. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.